Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone. My name is Kathy. I wanted to call to your attention some information regarding item number 14, which was collected by the Idaho State Police on November 13th, 2022, after they had been invited in to process the crime scene by the Moscow Police Department in the investigation into the crimes at 1122 King Road that occurred that day. We know from a record that was submitted by the lead detective managing crime scene processing, Detective Jeffrey Talbot, that various items, including that sheath, were collected by the Idaho State Police and then given to Detective Brett Payne in the early morning hours of Monday, shortly after midnight, November 14th, 2022. The sheath remained in Moscow for 3 days until a contact was made to the Idaho State Police Corporal Williford by the Moscow Police Department to transfer that sheath to Meridian, where the ISP lab is located. Corporal Williford picked up the sheath in a sealed bag, but it doesn't say a word about evidence tape or initials on it. He turned it over to Corporal Tarantine of the Idaho State Police, and the next bit of information that we are able to determine regarding that sheath is a document that was prepared by ISP lab, indicating a chain of custody which does not name Corporal Williford at all. It only lists Corporal Tarantine. There is a notation at the side indicating that there appeared to be no evidence tape or initials in the container that this sheath was brought to ISP via two members of LEO from the Idaho State Police. After Corporal Williford picked it up at the Moscow Police Department, it appears those items were affixed at Idaho State Police. The evidence tape and initials. We see on this documentation a notation of November 21st, 2022. A member of the Moscow Police Department, Sergeant Dustin Blaker. His name is there because on the 21st, the DNA profile was turned over to him, which he brought to Texas for purposes of having additional forensic testing done at Othram. Sergeant Blaker notes that the package he was given was properly sealed with evidence tape. One matter that I would like to point out to you is that there appears to be a contradiction with respect to when a suspect was first identified, as documented by the Moscow Police Department versus the Idaho State Police. The Moscow Police Department, during the investigatory stage of the proceedings pre-arrest of Mr. Kohberger, periodically put out press releases. According to this December 2nd, 2022 press release, there were no suspects. However, in looking at an Idaho State Police Forensic Services evidence submission receipt dated the 18th of November, 2022, there's a suspect that's listed here. Name redacted, date of birth redacted. But this is, in my opinion, very interesting and compelling, because this would have been the day after testing was conducted on that sheath. That Sergeant Blaker, whose name is listed here as the investigating officer from the Moscow Police Department, would take to Othram 3 days later. If you have any comments, any opinions, any thoughts that you would like to share regarding this matter, please leave them here. Until next time, this is Kathy. Thank you very much for joining us here today.